The next step in our payroll process is preparing payroll checks. In the previous Work Together problem, we prepared a payroll register and earnings records for a quarter ended. So we're actually going to need the 13.3 Work Together problem from page 287 of your journal. So you need to take that out. And we're going to need page 289 in the journal as well. So have those out side by side. 287 and 289. We're going to be preparing a general account check as well as checks to individual employees. What a general account check is you write a check into your payroll account, and then for the total due to all employees, and then individual checks are written out of the payroll account to those employees. So we're going to prepare Antique Shop's general amount check for the pay period ended July 15th. So we are on this document. And so we've got July 15th, 2015 over here as well. I put 715 because it's not going to fit. In order to figure out the amount for this check, we need to find a total of all these columns. So at the bottom we're going to have a totals column, and we need to total up all of these columns, single rule and double rule, as we would. So this break means that there are more that we just are not going to take into consideration. It's already kind of double ruled for us, so we need to add all these columns up. Okay, so we have this total net pay for both employees of $1,537.68. That is the amount for our general check. $1,537.68. It is going to be paid to a payroll account. Specifically, in our book it said it was the payroll account number 0639583. The amount also needs to go up here, $1,537.68. Remember, this is the part that a business keeps of this check while that goes out. And once again, it's to the payroll account, that number. Okay. It is for payroll for July 15th, 2015. We need to write it in words. 1,500 37 and 68 cents. The balance brought forward was described in the textbook. It says that the balance brought forward is 16,542. 16,542.00. We're not making a deposit. We are taking money out and putting it into that account. So therefore the total is still 16,542. We need to subtract the amount on this check, 1,537.68. So $15,004.32. We also need to sign it. In the book it says that you are able to sign it as a partner of the antique shop, so it's okay that it has your signature. The next thing we are going to do is we're going to write a check for each of the employees from the 13-3 work together problem. The two employees were Judy Hensley and Mike McCune. So this is the period ending 7/15/2015 on both. And we can write July 15th, 2015 on both. We're going to pay to the order of each of them. So we have Judy Hensley. We have Mike McCune. Okay, so we actually need to write down a lot of information from their payroll register. So some of the information that we need, I'll just put this above, are we need their earnings, their regular, their overtime, their deductions, and other, and to get their net pay. So their earnings, so Judy's total earnings were $1,079. Her regular earnings, according to our table, were $1,040. Her overtime earnings were $39. Her total deductions were $248.33. Specifically for each, up here we had $87 for income tax, $70.14 for Social Security tax, $16.19 for Medicare, Health insurance, $60. Other, $15. And then the net pay is found doing the total earnings minus the deductions, and we found that she made $830.67. This check is going to be for that amount, $830.67. We also need to cut a check for Mike McCune. His information is also in the payroll register at the top from 13.3. His total earnings are found right here, $971.75. His regular earnings were $920. His overtime earnings were $51.75. His total deductions were $264.74. His income tax was $112. His Social Security tax, $63.16. His Medicare tax, $14.58. His health insurance, $60. And other, $15. Net pay, once again, is found by doing the total gross pay before deductions minus deductions, and we came to the conclusion that it was $707.01. 707.01. That is the amount we write the check for. 707. .01, 700, and 1 cent. Sign it. Once again, the general check was to the payroll account, in which that is checks are written out of that to make these checks, those payroll account checks. This is the total for both employees, total net income for both employees. That's the net income for one individual employee with all the information from the payroll register. That's the net income for another employee with all the information from the payroll register. Please use this information to complete the 13.3 on your own problem.